What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, so y'all already know how I do it. I'm gonna get straight to it. As you guys know, I keep you guys up on the latest and the greatest on what's going on in the credit space, what I'm currently using, what other people are doing, things like that. So also, everything that I say, all right, in this video, in previous videos, in future videos, it's all for educational purposes only. All right? Everything I say is all for educational purposes only. It's from you to take the knowledge, okay? Use it or not. All right? That's your choice. So today I want to talk to you guys about smart credit. All right? Smart credit is a new, improved, innovative way to check your credit score on the personal side. And as you guys know, I like Identity IQ because Identity IQ was very thorough in its reporting. It was very thorough as far as like whatever the lenders are looking at, that's a clear representation of what Identity IQ provides, right? And coming from Credit Karma and things like that, any free source really doesn't really do you any justice, because you have to think, right? How are they going to be innovative if they have no money coming in? Okay, how are they going to be recreating different things if there's no money coming in? All right, so you need the new latest technology in order to keep developing your systems, right? So I like paid services because I want to be very accurate when I'm checking my credit score. When I'm checking my client's credit score, I want to see what's on it today. All right, if something get put on, if you got a report from 30 days ago, but something got put on your credit report 10 days ago, you want to be knowledgeable. You want to know what's going on, right? So I have different alerts and things like that. And smart credit is like a mix in between Credit Karma, right, and Identity IQ. But it's better. It's new and improved. It's very innovative. So what I mean by that is, Credit Karma has a good way to just lay out your credit score, right? So it's very user friendly. When you're looking at it, you can really understand it. Even if you're on a beginner level of, credit, you can understand it easily. They give you very small tips and things like that to make you feel like, it's easy and things like that, right? Which of course it is, but it's very important to be user friendly, right? On the Identity IQ side, it's less user friendly. It's more black and white, not a lot of colors, pictures and things like that, but it's a very accurate description of what your credit report looks like, right? And me, I'm the type of person, I'm very thorough, so I prefer a thorough description over the colors and just the y'all get what I'm trying to say. All right, I prefer just the regular black and white and being thorough over like the colors and the layout and the pretty things. All right, so give me the raw out, eat the fish, spit out the bones. All right, so smart credit is a balance between Identity IQ and Credit Karma because it is user friendly, okay, where it allows you to see your credit scores and your credit report and different things like that, right? It's very user friendly. It's very easy to operate. It's very easy to navigate. And also, you can have an accurate, up-to-date, daily, weekly, monthly, however you want to do a description of what your credit report looks like, right? Also, Identity IQ costs about $26, $27 to $35 a month, and Smart Credit costs $20 a month. All right, so it even saves you some money. Y'all know I'm a big fan of saving money. All right, so it saves you money also, which I love because I don't really necessarily like to pay $30 a month when I can pay 20, right? I don't mind paying 30. I'm not gonna pay 30 before I allow them to do it for free. But if I find something that's better, is more innovative, and it's cheaper, you got me. All right. So smart credit is $20 a month, and also not only is it user friendly, not only does it have the most up-to-date information daily, but also you can dispute from smart credit as well, which I think is pretty cool as a new innovative tool is for, in the credit world, right? And on smart credit, you can dispute things too. But as you all know, it's not the most accurate thing in the world. right? So smart credit is super cool because you can do that now. I don't use that method to dispute and things like that, but like I said, it's an option. And I know people who, try to dispute different things and they got one or two things off. So I'm always a fan of it, right? So smart credit, you can also dispute things on there as well. So for that $20 price, for being user friendly and also being accurate, man, listen, you guys need to transition to smart credit. Smart credit is also what I use as far as my students in order to clean their credit, because what I use a digital software, right? But it operates within other digital softwares like Identity IQ, My Free Score Now, also Smart Credit, right? So by working and operating or interoperating with Smart Credit, it allows me to transition the HTML very, very quickly, which is the page source and all that stuff, and I can get it on there in an instant. All right, so I love the innovative tools, and of course, I'm gonna keep you guys up to date on all of this stuff. It's the 4th of July, so I'm gonna give y'all a little break, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all have y'all fun, you feel me? But we already know I'm back at it. So I got a lot of videos and I got a lot of things that I wanna talk to you guys about. A lot of new innovative things. As you guys know, like I always tell you, credit constantly changes. Okay, it constantly changes. So you guys need to know and always stay up to date on what's going on so you can see, you learn it, you know where it came from, you know where it is, so you can know where it's going. All right, it's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. And don't forget, man, if you guys need anything, make sure you hit me up. You know what I mean? Info is in the description. I'm also going to open up an OnlyFans as well. That's going to be new coming up. I'm actually going to work on that today. So expect that to be rolling out sometime this week. But hit me up, man, through my telephone number directly, 904-299-9525. All right. It's also going to be in the description if you didn't get that, or you can just rewind it however you want to do it. Because a lot of you guys hit me up in the comments like, yo, what's your number? What's your number? And I put it all down there, but you guys may not catch it. So there it is. And oh yeah, be careful with different things like Telegram, just anything. I don't know what you guys are on, but just be careful, like Instagram, Telegram, things like that. I don't have it. All right. So if there's somebody with that, like my name or something like that, like it's not me. All right. So just contact me directly. This is my YouTube. Also, I may make some shorts and things like that for YouTube or TikTok. I'm not sure yet, but here and also upcoming OnlyFans, I'm going to be dropping content on OnlyFans. So those are the only two things that Credit Guy Frank officially is on. All right. Anything else on Facebook or anything like that, I'm not on there. All right. I'm going to keep you guys up to date on everything that's going on at all times. All right. So you guys can hit me up. You can get my prices for different things like that. Also, like I said, I have new videos dropping this week, and I'm going to update you guys on a lot of different things, and I'm going to show you guys a lot of different stuff as far as different strategies, whether you're on, different particular fields, right? It's a lot of different fields, from housing to trucking to crypto to, everything, right? So we're just going to jump straight into it. And I'm going to make videos in particular to whatever it is that you want to do. And also, I'm going to make some videos for my young guys and girls who's maybe 15, 16, and you're looking to build your credit and do different things like that so that you can be prepared when you're an adult. And, just some things that you can take note of. All right. So once again, man, it's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. I'm out.